And another one, y'all, man. One of my favorites. This is unreal. The open face 6-piece. Open face on all 6, as you can see, with the trillion cuts going around the edges. These are unreal. Diamond cuts are called diamond cuts because they give off that sparkle. I wouldn't say light diamonds, but I would say they give off that sparkle. Diamonds are just a little bit different, but I love diamond cuts because they give off a different type of pattern of light depending on the diamond cuts. Trillion cuts are cut into like a crisscross type pattern versus princess cuts, which are like tic-tac-toe up and down. So they give you a different type of lighting. Sunburst cuts, different type of lighting. All of those are just different type of cuts. Even diamond dust, different type of cuts using a different type of tool. Thank you everybody once again for tapping in to the channel, getting a little bit of education. You know, I'm not a teacher, but I do give off some game when I'm doing my videos. These ones running about $480, guys. I know people are going to be asking how much as soon as they see this video. So please, you guys, try to follow the videos to the ends, because I do always try to give some pricing whenever I'm doing a feature on a product. This one right here, I'm moving around as I'm walking around, so you can see the way light's going to be traveling when you're going places wearing something like this. This one right here is going to stand out amongst any, because first of all, you're going to see all of those pearly white teeth. This person obviously has pretty good teeth, and they want to show them off. Generally, people get the open faces when they want to show off some teeth as well, with some gold around it. It's an old school look, man. My dad had a permanent open face tooth for years since I was a kid. It was permanent though. Finally got it removed, but I remember that, man. But yeah, inbox us 206-250-0833, or website if you're looking to get this in. You will find this on the website a little bit later under the gold diamond cut grills. That's gold diamond cut grills. You also find it under gold open face categories. There's categories under the gold grills section. But thank you guys, and I look forward to working with you. Stay positive. Stay blessed, y'all. 100.